Sid, welcome. Hi.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
Great to see you too, Timothy.
Okay, so I'm here because I want to know what your new products are, or what some key products are that LexJet sells, that
Correct.
people need, and that you provide.
Absolutely.
So tell me about this machine behind us. What is it? What's it for? And then there's a bottle up there. Tell me what the bottle is.
Yeah, I'll let you know what that's in that bottle. This is our StarLam liquid laminator.
Okay.
This is a very affordable piece of equipment. We have also our showcasing our professional wall armor.
Your wall armor. Okay, so the wall armor liquid laminate is a water-based liquid laminate.
That's correct, yes.
This is a water-based liquid laminator.
That is correct.
Okay, so it's kind of easy to use. It's not heavy. It's not smelly. It's inert. It's environmentally friendly, and it won't harm the operator.
Absolutely, yes. A one single operator. It's very easy to load the material, unload the material, and load our liquid laminate.
Okay.
Price point on this machine is $15,000.
So very affordable.
Very affordable.
So if you need to put a liquid laminate on something, and you want a water-based liquid laminate,
Correct.
this is the machine to get.
This is the machine.
You
to
guys
get.
have actually been selling this for quite a while. You've refined it. It's like the kind of choice material to get for this.
That's correct.
So I have, for example, a film laminator. Okay, I do vehicle wrap type stuff. I can't do textured material on it.
That's
it won't
correct.
work.
That's
The
correct.
film won't go down into it. So you have to use a liquid laminator. So the ideal material would be a textured material of some kind.
That's correct. You want to keep that hand on that product. So our liquid
Okay.
laminate will allow
So
you to keep that
Dreamscape
same.
suede, perfect
Correct.
choice.
Perfect.
Run this on here.
Absolutely.
Certain technologies, latex, resin, even some UV, eco-solvent, you just need a laminate. It's just necessary. And if it's texture, you can't do a liquid or a film lam. This is where you would go.
That's correct. And what we're trying to do is protect the graphic from scratching, marring,
Right.
UV protection as well. We're getting 5 to 7 years UV protection.
Okay, so if you have to be outdoor and you have a textured material, got sunlight on it, you're going to want to go with a liquid laminate or it's going to die a lot faster.
That's correct. You're going to want to protect that so that UV inhibitors in our product keep it from fading.
Okay, so if a customer had questions about, hey, I have this material, what do you recommend? You might be able to tell them, hey, our wall armor and this liquid laminator is your solution.
And then we do that all day long with the LexJet reps. We'll bring material into our shop, we'll run it, we'll send it to the customer, involve our sales reps at LexJet in that, and we have that service we provide so that the customer knows what it's going to look like on their material and their ink.
Okay. I think a lot of times customers don't know they need this until they are up against an application with a customer. Like, let's say they're going to do wall covering type 2 in a restaurant, and they know that stuff's going to get spilled all over the walls, and
That's
you're going to
right.
be cleaning it. And then the customer realizes, I can't just put this up as is.
That's
I'm
correct.
not going in an office environment now. I'm in a restaurant. I got to clean it. That's when they go to here. This isn't, really a very affordable option. It's not very expensive, and then you can just use the liquid laminator, liquid Marabu clear shield,
Yep.
and then run it through.
That's correct. It's $15,000 price point,
Okay.
well priced. We have an installer that comes out to install the machine, and that's $1,500. So it's a real bargain there.
Okay.
Once
So
it's
someone
installed-
comes out, they install it. It's very affordable, and they'll show you how to use it.
and we take care of the warranty. So we will send people on site if we need to fix it. So it's really hassle free.
Okay, so very affordable, water-based liquid laminator for any type of textured roll-to-roll surface. What's the width limit on
This
this?
is 64. We also do have a
64.
10-foot machine as well.
Okay, so you have a 10-foot as well as the 64. I think
Yes.
the 64 probably most of my workflow.
That's correct.
So panel printing, textured material, works with all the different types of ink solutions.
Correct. And one thing you mentioned, which is unique, is Type 2 certification.
Okay.
The wall armor product, once it's actually installed and put into this machine, run through the machine, it gives it a Type 2 certification.
Okay.
So that's extremely important in those
Yeah, I think a lot of
hospital-
people overlook that. Is they'll say,
Yeah.
hey, I'm printing on a Type 2 wall covering. I'm like, yeah, but when you print the ink on it,
Yeah.
it's no longer Type 2 because that ink isn't the Type 2 certification
Correct.
unless you were to liquid laminate it.
That's correct.
And that's where you guys come
That's
in.
where we come in. So we've done a lot of extensive testing in that, flame treatment, a lot of this, different scratch resistance, but also a lot of the stained products like ketchups, mustard, things
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that. That goes
Okay.
through that Type 2 certification.
Well, cool. Thank you very much, Sid. I appreciate your
Timothy,
time. I
great to
appreciate
see
your
you.
product.
Appreciate it.
We good? All right.